So I'm here in Austria where the elderberries are grown, and I am at a co-op, and I offered to come and help in the harvest here. The elderberries are ripe. It's a perfect time of the year to do the harvest. And you know what I find most amazing about this whole experience is the gathering, the community effort to come out and harvest. We have the grandfather, the father, the wife, the 3 children, the neighbors, the friends, other members of the family. It's a real community effort to come and make this elderberry moment today happen. And this is really special because we've been talking about the importance of community for longevity, for health and wellness, and for regenerating our spirits and our wellness. And you know, this is a living example of what it means to live in community, not just with each other, but with nature.
Vor dem Holunder zieht den Hut runter. It means when you stand in front of the elderberry, put your hat off and say thank you
for
the medical healthy contents.
Yeah. This is Sambucus nigra, and notice the berries, they are indeed black. And that is an indicator of the high concentration of anthocyanins in the fruits. These are very, very antioxidative types of fruits, which means they are very protective against oxidative stress in the body, in the cells, and in the tissues. So we need this type of protection, and this is why seasonally elderberry syrup is used to give us added protection. To support our health and our immune system over the course of the winter season.